Native Inuit elders warn that the sun has changed position and that the poles are already reversing. So what does this mean? A well-known American space agency, NASA, received a clear warning from the Inuit natives, the tribe, specifically from elders of the tribe, that our world is in a shift of the Earth's poles and the sky is already changing. The Indian elders, the native Inuit, have noticed that the sun has began to be in a completely different position and that the hours of the day for hunting have been strangely extended. The weather has become unpredictable, they said. The Inuit also have warned that not only has the sun changed position, but the moon and the stars have also moved, all of which affect temperature and wind, making weather forecasting very difficult for them, which is essential for their hunting and their survival. Hunting and fishing. Is a reversal of the Earth's magnetic poles taking place? Volcanoes, earthquakes, strange noises from the sea, the sky, signs and shocking evidence of a reversal of the poles, which, if it happens quickly, will cause chaos all over the world. It's been scientifically proven that the Earth undergoes a complete geomagnetic reversal or pole shift approximately every 780,000 years. These reversals are usually slow, occurring gradually over thousands of years. However, at the beginning of the 20th century, new data appeared which changed the entire perspective of this subject. A pole reversal, that is, when the north and south magnetic poles of the Earth start to switch positions, reversing the magnetic polarity, a highly dangerous process takes place. Scientists tracking the history of the planet have identified 74 of these events by studying samples of the Earth's core. And these come from hundreds of thousands of feet down in the ground and the thick polar ice. A sudden change will upset the Earth's balance so significantly that it could cause deadly earthquakes, tsunamis on a scale that can hardly be imagined by the human mind. Also, the volcanic eruptions be so large that widespread that the ash clouds and gases could completely block the sun's rays, causing a new ice age. Scientists are looking for evidence of past Armageddon-style catastrophes of this type, dubbed chaotic sediments, where narrow layers of earth filled with material in record time and became covered with ice. For scientists, these are clear indications of a flash flood, ice melt, or ash deposits. There are indeed signs of a sharp increase in natural disasters and other strange phenomena that point to a possible pole reversal. It's widely recognized that magnetic north is the top of the planet, to which compasses and devices that depend on magnetic navigation look to. Now that point is shifting even more rapidly because it's going towards Russia from the current location of Greenland. It's moved 400 kilometers in the last decade alone, and it is accelerating. Other signs that may indicate the effects of magnetic reversal between magnetic north and south are the unprecedented eruptions of several volcanoes that have erupted around the world in recent days, and earthquakes measuring 7th magnitude on the Richter scale. These spikes in seismic activity occur every 30 years or so and are relentless acceleration of the reversal of the poles from their original position. NASA is very concerned because the University of Utah recently discovered magma under Yellowstone National Park, in addition to the huge pool of molten rock and iron they already knew about that was there. A sudden pole shift could allow magma to rise to the surface, destroying Los Angeles. If this is done, then most of North America will immediately be destroyed and a new ice age will begin. Another question is, what is happening? What happened 300 meters, or that's 900 feet, to the bottom of the sea just off the northern tip of Japan in a single night? The area was the epicenter of an 8.9 magnitude earthquake that struck Japan back in 2011, causing the worst tsunami ever. And finally, the strangest from the point of view of nature is the information about strange noises and rumblings coming from the sea. Scientists give the explanation of currents in the oceans, but no one believes them. And this I've translated from a Greek article. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.